young people who are long-term unemployed. There are 246,000 young people unemployed for over a year, but that is down 11,000 on the last quarter. Now that is not enough. We want to do more, but it's because we've got the work programme, because we've got the youth contract, because we've got 400,000 apprenticeship schemes, because we've got the 250,000 people going into work experience, we are making a difference. Now why doesn't he come up with something constructive instead of just knocking everybody down?
I'll tell him what he should do. He should change course. It's his policy. Why is unemployment rising? Why is unemployment rising? Because he is cutting too far and too fast. It's his record. However much he twists and turns, it's his record. That's why unemployment is going up. And what we have, Mr. Speaker, what we have is women's unemployment, the highest since the last time there was a Tory government. Youth unemployment, the highest since the last time there was a Tory government. And unemployment, higher than the last time there was a Tory government. Isn't the truth? The defining characteristic of this government is it stands aside and does nothing as thousands of people find themselves unemployed.
Mr. Speaker, to be fair to the honourable gentleman, he does actually change course every day. So he's an expert in changing course. Labour's Shadow Chancellor said 2 days ago, my starting point is we're going to have to keep all the cuts. That is what he said. And then Labour's deputy leader said yesterday, we're not accepting the government's cuts. We're totally opposed to them and we're fighting them. He is flip-flopping on a daily basis. No wonder Labour's founder of Labour's Business Forum had this to say. At a time when the nation needs strong political leadership, Labour offers nothing. The pro-business, pragmatic approach to wealth and enterprise have all gone. Instead, there is a vision and a leadership vacuum. What total adequate testimony of what stands opposite.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My right honourable friend.